part of it. Part of it. We can move. I love this color. I love this color. Somehow it was. What do you do? So, you see, cayenne pepper, it is, you can add pepper or you just, and I end up, guys, are you feeling this? Can you see this? Feeling this? The avocado come out though. Oh yeah. Let's add the plantain. He's giving me orgasm already. Hey God, see, this is the best Valentine gift you can give yourself. Today is Valentine, and now my breakfast. Now I want to use some do like this. Prepare something like this. But it will thank you. See, I'm not even kidding. Go and prepare this. It may not be today, but prepare this. Gift yourself this. This is the best gift you can give yourself. Today will be Valentine. I don't know how to celebrate my own. The avocado is so sweet. So this place not really contain, and so I got to switch. If I don't carry their life, so I have to make this first. Let's taste what we have prepared. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This is so comforting. This right here. This right here. Oh my god. Oh. Go and treat yourself with this. Like, go to the market, get your cabbage, get your plantain, get your bell peppers, your pear, what else that, and your carrots. You just, it doesn't take no time. Your body will thank you for giving it this. You see this? I beg, for those working on their weight, add this to your menu, okay? If you're working on your weight, add this to your menu.